buds, it's Kathy with Kathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. I do have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and to enter you just subscribe and leave a respectful comment. And a shout out to Nancy, Maybelline, Joyce, and Rockstar. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay guys, I'm going to jump in on that Roxy's weekly challenge again. And this is her challenge for week number 7. I don't do it every time. I just do it once in a while. And it has to do with these envelopes that you get mail in a lot. And they took the envelope and they chopped it off. And so it makes a pocket, because if you've opened it, you go ahead and you glue that flat back down. So it just makes a nice pocket. I went ahead and I coffeed or beat dyed. This one's beat dyed. And I did the front a little bit, and then I went ahead and did the inside a little. I did the same. This one has both beet and coffee. That's why it's kind of pinky pink, brownie pink. And I did the inside, that one. Yes, that's why it's that color. And I did this one the same way. So that's what I did. And I went ahead and I glued this part down on this back right here. I thought that was very beautiful right there with the bicycle and all. And I see that I got my paper just a little larger than my envelope, so I'm going to cut it down just a little bit. I hope I didn't open it by cutting it open, did I? No. Okay. That would be just like me, you know. Just to go ahead and cut it open, egads, but I didn't do that. Alrighty, guys. I'm just going to ink around this just a little bit. I do like the ink. I like the look it gives. I like it all over. Alright. So then I have, I'm going to turn it this way so y'all can see better. I have this beautiful paper. Isn't that pretty? I thought maybe I could put some of this here on the top. And what I think I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to do it this way. I think I'm going to just put the glue right on the envelope. Like that. And then I'm just going to lay this on here. Like this. This is what I think I'm doing. There we go. And I'm just going to give it a little. I'm also thinking of something else. I'm thinking of not just cutting it right off. I'm thinking that I would like to tuck this down inside. Now I didn't do it on the bigger one. I should have, but I'm going to give it a go, because if it's a pocket, it's nice to have that finished top. Very nice to have it finished. If I can get it to roll in. Well, let's put it down and really get it to here. There. Yeah, I like that. I wish I'd done it on this side, but you know what I can do? I can get a piece and do it. And just go ahead and do it. I don't want to really cut that lady's head off. Let's do it this way. Go ahead and put my glue right on like I did before. That worked out well. And I don't want to cut that lady's head off. So I'm going to just put it on like this. We'll get it close. There. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut this right like this, and just a little bit so that we can tuck it in. I am going to take the corners off. It just makes it so much easier to get it down inside. And then let's put this away. I'm going to go ahead and put my ink. There we go again. It's not ink, Kathy. It's a glue stick. Put my glue stick down. And then we're going to fit this down inside. Come on now. There we go. Whoa, that's too big. Oh, this isn't working as well as the other one did. It's okay. We can get it. We're just going to have to manhandle it a little. Or woman handle it a little. Oh yeah, did it. Okay. You guys, I like that much better. I like how that looks on the edge and everything. Very much so. And it looks really nice this way too. It sure does. Okay, let's go ahead and ink it. And I probably should have inked that, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. I like that a lot better. All right, back to the front. Let's go ahead and, now I have these strips here that I think are very pretty. This one is pretty long this way, and these strips aren't that long. But I could put, I have lots of these little strips laying around. This is one that I gel printed when I was doing that gel thing. So it's paint, but how does that look? I kind of like that. What do y'all think? Okay, I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my gathered twigs, and I'm going to see if I can do this edge just a little bit. I don't have to do very far down, but let's do this. All right. I think I'm going to go ahead and put this heavier duty glue on, just because I think it's going to need it to hold this little strip down. I hope that's far enough down. Let's see if it is or not. If not, we'll have to add some more glue. Come here. All right, I have to move it over to cut with that little corner gap there. Oh, that color's very pretty with that, isn't it? It sure is. That's very pretty. Okay. Now, did it cover? I didn't tea dye it far enough over, but I think I'm going to put some print there. I'm not sure what we're doing now. Okay, I don't know what we're doing. That is the pink one. That's the fired brick. I'm starting to use some different colors. Isn't that pretty? I think that's so pretty. And I don't have my other light on. Let's see, does this help? Does that help, guys? Oh, isn't that pretty? That's so, so pretty. All right, let's go ahead and give this a trim right here. And now where were we? We were right here. We were saying we would like this right here. I'm going to try to do it this way for y'all so you can see better. My camera is close to my table, but right now that's the only way I can do it. It's on a little clip that clips to my table, my camera is. I had a tripod when I first started, and I couldn't do the tripod. I was hitting it, and I didn't have enough room, and it was kind of a disaster. Okay, this is the top of the pocket. Do we want that all the way up to the top or down to the bottom? I think down to the bottom. I think this is very beautiful, like that. Have to glue it over a little more like this. Yes. Oh my, isn't that pretty? Okay, so I really like the beaten coffee dyed. That's a secure envelope, so it has that print design for the security purposes, and it really coffeed and dyed beautifully together. Really did. Okay, so this is the top, and we said that we were going to put this at the bottom. So we want to start it at the corner. You can't even see what I'm doing. Here we go. Okay. My goodness. You guys, I think that's beautiful. I really, really like that. We'll probably need to put a little something, something up there. I don't know what yet. But let's go ahead and finish down here. There's some more of this paper we could put right here. That's very beautiful. I'm loving these colors. These colors are gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and put that fired brick on here. There we go. Now, get that on there, just like that. Turn it on the other side so I can trim it better. Get some glue on there. Oopsie, oopsie. Okay. Yes, I absolutely, absolutely love it. I'm not sure. I don't think I want anything up there. I've got so many things on my desk today, guys. My desk is, oh, that's kind of nice. My desk is so full. I have worked on this project, and then that project, and then this project, and I've kind of done it all at once. And so everything's just been out on my table all at once, and it's made for quite a disaster going on. That's what it's done. It's really a disaster. My desk is blown up. I need to take some time and clean it up, but I just can't seem to stop crafting long enough to clean it up. Do you guys have that same problem? Boy, I do. I like that little piece on there. Oh my goodness, you guys. I think that's beautiful, and I really like the fact that we turned it in the inside, and that I coffee tea dyed it on the inside as well. That's beautiful. Let's go ahead and get a little something something on here. Let me find something something. Okay, you guys, I wanted to show you. I keep some of my stuff in this plastic box, and when I opened it up, oh my gosh, it smelled so divine, because you know the faux vellum that I showed you in my other video? Well, here's one that I made just yesterday. It is completely dry. I've had lots of questions on will it take glue? Will it stay on the paper after you do it? It most certainly will. And the one that I glued on the giveaway 1,000 subscriber journal that I'm making, it has stayed on the page I glued it to, no problem. There is absolutely no problem with this. I also had somebody ask me, can you do it with magazine paper? Well, you know what? I'm going to give that a go, and I'll let you know how that turns out. So anyway, I grabbed my little pieces. I thought that we really need to put something on here. I was looking for a number. I don't know if I can find a number real quick. Or here's a 45 cents. Well, that's kind of cute. That's real cute. Here's something red. So here's kind of a sticker, like a mailing sticker. Well, that's pretty cute since that's an envelope. So I don't know what we're going to grab. I do like these red ones because this is kind of peachy and red and everything. Of course, you know I can't find something that I want right away. Oh, that's upside down, but it's still cute. Oh, I like that on there. I really like that. And I don't know if I want that right there, or maybe we want, I'm thinking I need something up here though. Well, that's not bad. That's not bad right like that. I don't know why that makes those noises sometimes. I know that some people's computer makes that noise a lot. And it bugs me when it makes that noise. Okay, how about this? Oh, I like that. Okay, let's go ahead, and I think I'm going to use the Gathered Twigs inking on this one. These are pieces of Tim Holtz Lily Ephemera packet that you can buy. I need to put my lid on my glue. I always forget to do that. So let's go ahead and glue this down. Well, these just turned out adorable. Just adorable. Oh, I like that. I like in this color too. That's just beautiful, don't you think, guys? Oh, I'm so glad you joined me. And check out my next video. Bye now.